Welcome back to Open Air Living, where outdoor dreams turn into stunning reality. Today, we're stepping into the timeless charm of a French provincial outdoor kitchen, where rustic beauty meets refined elegance in the most inviting way. Imagine soft stone textures, warm wood accents, and a space that feels like a countryside escape right in your own backyard. This style isn't just about cooking outdoors. It's about creating an atmosphere that feels luxurious yet relaxed, perfect for slow evenings, good wine, and unforgettable meals with loved ones. If you've ever dreamed of bringing European charm into your outdoor space, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Open Air Living, hit that like button, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite outdoor design style. Let's create something beautiful together. French provincial design is rooted in the countryside of southern France, where elegance meets simplicity. It's all about natural materials, muted tones, and a lived in charm that feels authentic rather than overly polished. In an outdoor kitchen, this translates into soft, earthy palettes. Think creams, warm grays, faded blues, and gentle greens. These tones create a calming backdrop that blends seamlessly with nature. The key is balance. Refined details like carved stone or wrought iron paired with rustic finishes. The result is a space that feels effortlessly luxurious without trying too hard. A French provincial outdoor kitchen thrives on thoughtful layout. It's not just functional, it's designed to encourage gathering, conversation, and connection. Consider a U-shaped or L-shaped design that allows for easy movement between cooking, prepping, and serving areas. This layout keeps everything within reach while maintaining an open, inviting feel. Adding a central island or farmhouse-style table can anchor the space, creating a natural hub where guests can gather while meals are being prepared. The materials you choose will define the entire aesthetic. Natural stone is a must. Whether it's limestone, travertine, or aged brick, it brings authenticity and texture. Wood elements, especially in weathered or distressed finishes, add warmth and contrast beautifully with stone surfaces. Think exposed beams, cabinetry, or even a rustic dining table. Incorporate wrought iron details for that signature French touch, light fixtures, cabinet handles, or decorative accents that subtly elevate the space. No outdoor kitchen is complete without a standout cooking feature. In French provincial design, this often means a built-in grill with a stone surround or even a wood-fired oven. A rustic range hood, crafted from stone or plaster, can become a focal point while adding to the old world charm. It's both functional and visually striking. Don't forget smaller details like brass or antique style fixtures. They may seem subtle, but they contribute significantly to the overall luxurious feel. Dining in a French provincial outdoor kitchen is an experience. It's about slowing down and savoring every moment. Choose a large wooden dining table with a weathered finish. Pair with upholstered or wrought iron chairs. Comfort is key, but style should never be compromised. Layer the table with linen tablecloths, simple dishware, and maybe a bottle of wine as the centerpiece. It's understated elegance at its finest. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating that soft, romantic ambience. French provincial spaces shine brightest in the evening glow. Opt for lantern-style fixtures, wrought iron chandeliers, or wall sconces with warm bulbs. These elements create a cozy, inviting atmosphere as the sun sets. String lights or candles can add an extra layer of charm, making the space feel magical and intimate. Your outdoor kitchen should feel like a natural extension of the landscape. Surround it with lush greenery, herbs, and flowering plants. Lavender, rosemary, and olive trees are perfect choices. They not only look beautiful, but also enhance the sensory experience with their fragrance. Stone pathways, gravel, or terracotta tiles can tie everything together, creating a seamless flow between the kitchen and the garden. The magic is in the details. Accessories bring personality and authenticity to your outdoor kitchen. Think ceramic pots, vintage pitchers, woven baskets, and rustic serving trays. These elements add depth and tell a story of timeless living. Keep it curated, not cluttered. Every piece should feel intentional, contributing to the overall sense of relaxed sophistication. A French Provincial outdoor kitchen is more than a design, it's a lifestyle. It invites you to slow down, enjoy good food, and embrace the beauty of outdoor living with a touch of elegance. We hope this inspired you to transform your backyard into a luxurious yet welcoming retreat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for spending time with open air living. Until next time, keep creating spaces that bring people together and make every moment outdoors feel special.